Hi everyone, on this video I am going to show you how to create an accepted cover KDP on Amazon. Follow me on this video. So the first to do is to go on Google, then type Amazon cover calculator. Then choose the first link. And after that, follow these steps. If you are using a paperback, you have to choose one of these. If it's black and white, premium colors or standard. Select the type of your paper, weight, paper, select left to right. If your content is in English, then choose the measurement, inches, then choose one of these, trim size, interior. So for example, I will choose this one, and at the end type the number of your pages. Then calculate the dimensions, download the template, then copy this width, go to Canva, use your personal account, then click on create, then choose a custom size, then select inches here, past the width down, then go and select the height, click on generate. Go on this file, then click on extract. We're going to give it a special name, cover, then go back to your Canva. Now if you have already a cover design, just upload it. If not, just click on design, then select one of these. For example, I will choose this one. It depends on your contents. For example, I will edit this name, the description or the subtitle, then edit all the information according to your book. Then edit the back cover. Now you need to do this step. Click on upload, then go on your folder, cover, then upload this image. It might take a time. Do the work once again. Canva designer, always save your project. Click on upload. Do the work once again, select open. Now I take this image to my, then now change the transparency. Great. Now you need to move all the text or the symbols from the red parts. You should not be any information around these parts, the red parts or the pink. This one should be moved to the center. This one shouldn't be here. So I see that you have understand the principle. And at last, go and delete the image you have uploaded. Then click on share, download PDF print, then download the cover. Go back to your Amazon KDP, create a new title, paperback, type this information, optional, a name, test, choose one of these if you own the rights. No, we don't need to choose any age. Choose one category, then save, optional, save and continue. We need to write something on the description. Test 1. Move on to the next when or where you need to upload the cover. Click on the second option, upload a cover you already have print ready. Your name, then upload your cover. Before that, go and select the trim size you have chosen. Use this option, bleed PDF only, then upload the manuscript. The manuscript should be on these options: 8.5, 11 inches, width 20 page, 120 page. Thank you for watching this video. Now complete all these steps, then launch the previewer. After that, save and continue. Type a price, then publish your KDP content. After that, you need to wait for 72 hours to get an answer from Amazon dashboard. Thank you for watching this video.